Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Seema Saini. I hope you all are good. So students, today we will discuss
Informal letters. We have discussed 6 important informal letters in the previous video. If you have missed these letters, then you can go back and check it out. So let's start the informal letters. Question 1. Write a letter to your father requesting him to permit you to go on a historical tour. This is important question. First of all, we will write sender's address like Boys Hostel, Government Senior Secondary School, Kullu. Then leave one line, then write 10 December 2000, then write year. Then leave one line again, then write salutation like My dear father. Then write content like Our school is breaking up for Christmas holidays on the 24th of this month. Some students of our school are going on a historical tour. The tour has been organized by our principal. It will be a 7-day tour from December 25 to December 31. They shall visit Bengaluru, Mysore, Chennai and Madurai. I request you to allow me to go on this tour. Each student has to deposit rupees 10,000 for this tour. I shall do with rupees 1,000 only for my pocket expenses. Kindly send me rupees 11,000 as soon as possible. I hope you will not disappoint me. With regards, yours affectionately, Mohit. Next question. Imagine that you are Gopal, living in a school hostel. Write a letter to your mother about your life in the hostel. This is important question. First of all, write sender's address like Pratap Hostel, Government Senior Secondary School, Baddi. Then leave one line, then write date like 7 March 2000, then write year. Then leave one line again, then write My dear mother, then write content. I have been living in the school hostel for the last 2 months. It is a new experience for me. I have liked this life very much. Our hostel has lovely surroundings. All round it there are tall green trees. The rooms are very airy. They are well lighted. Each room is shared by 4 students. My roommates are luckily very good boys. I have made friends with them. The food served in our hostel is very tasty and nourishing. We get fruit and milk daily. You have nothing to worry about me. With regards, your loving son, Gopal. Next question. Explaining cause of your failure. Question. You have failed in the house examination of your school. Write a letter to your father explaining the cause of your failure and promising to do better in the annual examination. This is important question. First of all, write sender's address like this: Basant Cottage, Railway Road, Unna. Then leave one line, then write date 06 January 2000, then write year. Then leave one line, then write My dear father, I am sorry to inform you that I have failed in the house examination. I have failed in English and maths. But believe me, father, I am not to be blamed for it. Unluckily, I fell ill before the examination. I caught a severe cold. The doctor advised me to take complete rest. I could not revise my courses of study, so I could not do the paper well. Kindly excuse me this time. I hope to fare quite well in the annual examination. With regards, Yours affectionately, Naresh. Next question. Write a letter to your friend congratulating him on his recovery from illness and advising him how he should take care of his health. This is important question. First of all, write sender's address like 337 Gandhinagar, Bilaspur. Then leave one line. Then write date like this 26 March 2000. Then write year. Then leave one line again. Then write my dear Rakesh, I am very glad to learn from your letter that you have recovered from a long illness. I heartily congratulate you on your recovery. I was much distressed when I heard that you were down with typhoid. Thank God you have got well. The happy news of your recovery has given me immense joy. Please take complete rest for at least 2 weeks more. Avoid hard work till you regain normal health. Be very careful about your diet also. With best wishes, yours sincerely, Hemant. Next question. Write a letter to your father giving him home news. This is important question. First of all, write sender's address like Government High School, Unna. Then leave one line. Then write date like this 18 February 2000. Then write year. Then leave one line again. Then write my dear father, you have been away from home for long. Let me tell you how things stand here. You will be glad to know that Ram has passed. He has got first division. Indu was ill, but she is better now. Uncle visited us last month. He stayed with us for 5 days. We all miss you badly. When will you come back home? Your loving son, Mukul. Next question. Write a letter to your uncle thanking him for a birthday present. This is important question. First of all, write sender's address like this 28 Moti Nagar, Lahore Spiti. Then leave one line. Then write 28 March 2000. Then write year. Then leave one line again. Then write my dear uncle, last Monday was my birthday. I received many presents that day, but I liked your present the most. It was a beautiful watch. Everybody praised it. The watch will help me a lot. It will make my life regular. I shall never be late for school now. I shall keep this watch with great care. With regards, yours lovingly, Ravi.
That's all for this session.
For more videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.
See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye. Take care.